SMCI stock has printed its longest winning streak since October of last year, 2024. In the session of today, the 7th of February 2025, it gained around 7.2%. And since Friday, the 31st of January, when this winning streak began, it has since gained 33%. On this daily chart, you're not going to see any upper projections printed by the algos we're using. They're indeed downward projections. They go all the way down to 19.2. You will not see any upper projection on the 2 hour chart, on the 3 hour chart, on the 4 hour chart. You will not see anything. But if you come to the 1 hour chart, you will see that there are a couple of upper projections. We have 37.98. Below that, we have 37.22. There are indeed downward projections as well, 35.43 and 35.09. We might see some on the 45-minute chart, so let's have a look. We don't have any here. We don't have any. So this the winning streak we're talking about. This is all the way from this is what it looks like on the 45-minute charts, all the way from I would say 4:15 p.m. Probably maybe New York time. Okay, since continue to print higher prices and continue to or rather the 10 period moving average continue to serve as primary demand line, and it hasn't closed below that. Has it closed any session below that? I don't really think so, just maybe a couple of times, but it's in a very short time. It's on a bullish trend. You can see this is its 200 period moving average on this 45-minute chart. Has now started to slope bullishly upwards. But if you come back to the daily chart, you might be able to see that we may be able to. Okay, let's see. Let's have a look at the 1 week chart, and then we'll see. We might be able to find something there. Yeah, indeed, we have some projections here. We have 39.27 on the weekly chart. On this weekly chart as well, the extrapolation of its 10 and 21 period moving averages is that the stock is going to continue to look up till the 7th of April. If that makes you happy, then run with that. 7th of April. Who knows how high we can go? 7th of April, we are looking at 39.72 for the 10 period moving average. And that might indicate that if you extrapolate that, then the price of the stock could even be higher than that. But let's have a look. Let's return to the daily chart and see. We might be able to see something there. Let's look at the daily chart and see the daily chart. We have something there that can help us compute some projections. We have some Fibonacci projections. We have this rejection it had at 34.45. This was on Thursday, the 23rd of January. 34.45. Let's get that 34.45, and we subtract the low of we subtract the low of Monday the this is not sorry we subtract the low of Friday the 31st, which is 26.76 minus 26.76. We have 7.69. So if you multiply 7.69 by a modest 1.618 extension level, this is one of the many extension levels, one of the many Fibonacci extension levels. If you multiply that with that figure, we have let me see, I've got that wrong. Let me see, that's 34.73, 34.45, I think was what we got. Subtract that by 20, we have 26.97, 26.97. We have 7.48 multiplied by 1.618. We have 12.1. If you add 12.1 to the closing price of today, 36.28, you have 48.38. So 48.38 is a sort of price it can print. 48.38, okay, you can see 48.38 is where somewhere around here. It also had got a rejection there as of the 29th of October. Okay. So that was also October is also when it used to have those crazy winning streaks. It's also when it got I think that was right around the time the news from uh, its auditors resigned, and all those negative news came out, and it began to plunge. So it could retest those highs. It could retest them. The couple of Fibonacci projections that are no longer in play there: 50.7, 50.74, 50.53, 54.05. So if it breaks through those barriers, then we are looking at challenging its 200-day moving average that is now sloping bearishly downwards. So fundamentally things are looking good. You've heard that it's still doing a couple of things with some uh, um, NVIDIA's chips. Let's see what it says here. A couple of days ago, let's see what it says here. Yeah, you got that news. Yeah, on Wednesday. That was Wednesday. I can't remember what that date is. Wednesday was the 6th. The stock rose after the company said it was fully ramping up its production of its artificial intelligence data center with NVIDIA's Blackwell platform. The chip makers recently released new graphics processing units. So yeah, fundamentally things are looking good. You can see a couple of news items here. Even the people I've been seeing, some are saying that it's uh, it's environmentally conscious and all that stuff. Says here as investors back its sustainable and innovative approach to AI infrastructure. The tech company pushes boundaries with high performance servers and eco-friendly storage solutions that meet stringent environmental standards. Okay, okay, so yeah, upper projections we have they go all the way towards 48.38. Yeah. So thank you very much for watching this video.